India's mobility and logistics landscape is experiencing a tectonic shift, merging established infrastructure with bold, futuristic transport solutions. The nation is tackling urban congestion, logistical inefficiencies, and environmental sustainability through a diverse, technology-driven strategy. Futuristic transit, from Hyperloop to electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft eVTOL. The Hyperloop project is gaining momentum. IIT Madras, in collaboration with Indian Railways and which includes deep tech partner Tutiar Hyperloop, unveiled the country's first 422-meter Hyperloop test track in December 2024, capable of propelling pods at speeds up to 1,100 km per hour. Indian Railways is now preparing a 40 to 50 km test corridor to advance this fifth mode of transport toward commercial deployment. This may radically reduce city-to-city travel times, for instance, covering Delhi, Jaipur or Bangalore, Chennai distances in under 30 minutes. Simultaneously, urban air mobility is advancing through public-private partnerships. eVare Mobility, with Hunch Mobility, is laying the groundwork for eVTOL air taxis in Bangalore by 2026, offering swift, zero-emission intracity travel. Additionally, collaborations like SkyDrive with the Gujarat government are exploring eVTOL ecosystems by 2027, setting the stage for aerial urban transit. Green rail, hydrogen-powered trains on the horizon. In a major leap for sustainable rail, India has successfully tested its first hydrogen-powered train coach, a 1,200 HP driving power car, at Integral Coach Factory, Chennai. The project is moving into its final commissioning phase, with retrofitting of diesel-electric multiple units underway under the Hydrogen for Heritage initiative. Each hydrogen train is estimated at 80 crore rupees, with supporting infrastructure requiring an additional 70 crore rupees per route. Fulfilling India's 2030 net zero ambition, these trains will operate on heritage and hilly routes, offering zero-emission travel at up to 110 km per hour and accommodating around 2,600 passengers per train. Drone logistics and traditional upgrades. India's drone delivery ecosystem is expanding rapidly, bolstered by frameworks such as the Drone Rules 2021, which fosters smoother regulations. Startups are deploying drones for critical last-mile delivery in e-commerce and healthcare sectors, especially in remote regions, delivering both speed and efficiency. Bullet Train Corridor. India's groundbreaking Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train corridor, based on Japan's Shinkansen technology, is advancing at pace. As of mid-2025,